give a quick review on these pre and probiotic and enzyme tabs. Those they're soft chews. They're from Positive Pets. They make a lot of different products, and it's really good. My dog takes it pretty easy. Little small chews. There's 120 of them in this container, and it'll go by their weight. I have an English Springer, so he's a big boy, so he'll get four tabs a day, 4 chews a day, and depends what size your dog is. I know if they're under 10 pounds, they only get 1 chew a day. So this container will last 4 months for a small dog, and they'll have on the back. Depends what size your dog is, how many chews they get. So my dog, he's he'll be one of the largest breed getting these pills, and he'll be getting 4 a day, so it'll last about a month on this tabs. But if you're looking for some good um, pre and probiotic chews for your dog, grab these. Check them out. They're really good. I highly recommend them.